Hey, third grade, today is Friday. You've made it through another week of school, and we're going to be continuing working on relationship tables, real world relationship tables, or input output tables, okay? All right. The table below shows the number of quarts in different numbers of gallons. Number of quarts, 52, there's 13 gallons. 44 quarts, there's 11 gallons. 20 quarts, there's 5 gallons. 12 quarts, there's 3 gallons. Which statement describes the relationship between the number of quarts and the number of gallons? Justify your thinking next to each answer choice. Okay? Which statement describes the relationship between the number of quarts to the number of gallons? So I'm going to go from my, input to my output. Okay? So the number of quarts minus 39 equals the number of gallons. Well, minus 39. That means that 52 minus 39 equals 13. Let's see if that's correct. Okay? 52 and 39. 2 minus 9. We can't do that. So this becomes a 40. This becomes a 12. 12 minus 9. What is 12 minus 9? Good job. 12 minus 9 is 3. And 40 minus 30 is 10. That equals 13. So that one works for one of them. Okay? 44, now remember, if it works for one of them, it has to work for all of them. Okay? And just looking at this chart, I know that 12 minus 39 does not equal 3. You cannot take 39 away from 12. So I'm going to go ahead and cross that one out. There is no need to sit here and subtract all of them because I'm looking at this. 39, well, I'm going to subtract 20 minus 39. I don't even have 39. I don't have enough to take away 39 from 20. I don't have enough to take away 39 from 12. So I'm going to go ahead and cross that one out. And remember, what did I say that we're doing? What did I say about going from your input to your output? What is happening to this number? From number of quarts to number of gallons, number of quarts to number of gallons. What is happening? Good. Your number of gallons is going to be smaller than your number of quarts. So there's only two operations that you can be doing because your number is going to be getting smaller going off of between the number of quarts and the number of gallons. So you're either going to be subtracting or dividing. Those are the only two option choices that you have. Okay? That's it. So that means that you can already eliminate letter B because that says times 4. Well, I know that if I multiply 52 times 4, I'm going to get a larger number. And 13 is not larger than 52. And my number of quarts times 4, so I'm going from quarts to gallons. And you need to read the whole thing. Number of quarts plus 15. Number of quarts plus 15 is not going to give me 13. My number would be larger than 52. So that means that I'm going to be dividing. Well, we still need to double check your answer. I don't want you to just stop right here and say, okay, that's my only answer. I want you to check it and make sure that you're correct. All right? Mrs. Garza knows that 52 divided by 4 does equal 13. If you don't know this, you'll need to work it out, okay? And whatever that looks like for you. All right? If you wanted to make an array or equal groups or repeated subtraction, whatever that looks like for you, you need to solve it that way. 44 divided by 4 equals 11. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So the correct answer on this one is the number of quarts divided by 4 equals the number of gallons. Okay? Let's look at another one. The table below shows the relationship between Nick's age and his sister, Allison's age. Okay? So this is Nick's age. I know that's hard to see, but there you go. This top one is Nick's age, and this bottom one is Allison's age. I can write it here. Okay? So let's think about this. When Nick is 7, Allison is 4. When Nick is 16, Allison is 3. When Nick is 22, Allison is 19. And when Nick is 30, Allison is 20. What is happening between Nick's age and Allison's age? Yes, I heard some of you say that. Your number is getting smaller. Okay? My number is getting smaller. So I'm going to either be dividing or subtracting. Well, subtraction's easy, Mrs. Garza. Okay, let's start with subtraction. 7 minus what equals 4? Seven minus 3. Good job. Minus 3 equals 4. 16 minus 3 equals 13. 22 minus 3 equals 19. 30 minus 3 equals 27. Which statement describes the relationship between Nick's age and Allison's age? Justify why each answer is correct or incorrect. Nick's age is equal to Allison's age minus 3. Nick's age is equal to Allison's age minus 3. Let's think about that. Nick's age is equal to Allison's age minus 3. What that's saying, now, does it say minus 3? It sure does. But that's saying, what this is saying is that Allison's age minus Nick's age, Allison's age minus 3 equals 7. Is that true? 4 minus 3 equals 7? No. Nick's age, which is Nick, is equal to Allison minus 3. So that's saying that 7 is equal to 4 minus 3. Or if you want to write that the other way, 4 minus 3 equals 7. Is that true? No, that is not true. Nick's age, which is 7, and I'm just going to start with this one because that's the easiest one to do, is equal to 3 more. 3 more would be addition than Allison's age. Okay, well, Miss Garza, you subtracted here. You're right, we did subtract here. That's why it's really important that we read the whole answer choice. Going from my input to my output, going from Nick to Allison, we subtract 3. What if I'm going from Allison to Nick? What am I going to do? Good. If you go from Allison to Nick, you're going to be adding 3. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 plus 3, 13, 14, 15, 16. That works. 19 plus 3, 19, 20, 21, 22. 27 plus 3, 28, 29, 30. Okay? So 7 equals 4 plus or 3 plus 4. If you want to put the equal sign on the other, you would just do 3 plus 4 equals 7. That is a true statement. We also know that 13 plus 3 equals 16. 19 plus 3 equals 22. 27 plus 3 equals 30. Let's keep going. Nick's age is equal to Allison's age times 2. 4 times 2 does not equal 7. 4 times 2, sorry. 4 times 2 does not equal 7. 4 times 2 equals 8. So that makes this relationship wrong, okay? This description makes that wrong. Nick's age is equal to Allison's age, which is going to be 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 does not equal 7, okay? So our correct answer here is B. So it's really, really important that you are reading the whole word problem or the whole answer choice. I know for a fact that some of you would have seen minus 3 and pick that as your answer because you subtracted 3 going from Nick to Allison, okay? Yes, Nick to Allison is -3, but Allison to Nick is +3. So it's really important that you break down each answer choice, okay? We have time for probably one more. All right. Your teacher has a coupon to spend at a shoe store. The table shows the relationship between the regular price and the price with the coupon. So, the regular price is $43. The price with the coupon is $26. 56 is the regular, 39 is with the coupon. $75 is the regular, 58 is with the coupon. 103 is the regular, 86 is with the coupon. What is happening? Well, how much of a discount does the coupon provide? The discount is what's going to be going on right here in the middle. What happens from 43 to 26? What are you doing? From 56 to 39, from 75 to 58, from 103 to from 103 to 86. What are you doing in this little magic spot right here? That's going to tell you how much the coupon provides. Well, from regular price to the coupon, what do coupons do? Yes, coupons make the price of your object, whatever you're buying, in this case is shoes, makes the price of your shoes go lower, okay? It saves you money. So if the price of your shoes is going lower, what operation are you doing? Good, you're going to be subtracting. So there's two ways that you could do this. In order to figure out what you're subtracting, you could do 43 minus 26, and that's going to give you the difference. Or you could say 26 plus something equals 43. Well, because I already know 43 minus 26, I'm going to go ahead and just subtract these. Okay, 3 minus 6, I can't do that. That equals 13. 13 minus 6 is, good, 7. And 30 minus 20 is 10. So that's 17. That means you subtracted 17. Let's see if 56 minus 17 equals 39. Six minus 7. Can't do that. Good job. 16 minus 7. Good job. 40 minus 10. Good. 39. Let's see. So that does work. 75 minus 17. Five minus 7. You guys are so smart. Can't do that. 15 minus 7. Good job. Equals 8. And 60 minus 10 is 50. Good. Equals 58. 103 minus 17. Okay, and I put a 0 here in the tens place because I don't have a value of 10 in 103. 3 minus 7, I cannot do that. So I need to go over here, and I'm going to take this. I'm going to take 10 away. I'm going to add 10 here, but then I'm going to take this 10 and add it here. 13 minus 7. Good, it's 6. Plus, I don't have anything here because I took this 10 and added it back here. This is going to be 80, and 10. 10 minus 10 is 0, and 80. 80 plus 6 equals 86. So how much of a discount does this provide? $86. That is your justification. Okay, all of this work is justifying your answer. Okay, so today you guys are going to be finding the rule of your tables and then matching some rules to some given tables already. Okay, let me know if you guys need help, or let Miss Mays know if you need help, and then you remember you can always hop on during office hours.